For further configuration, we need to request the single point of control, also called SPoC, via the provided button in the cockpit. A notification will pop up in the smartPAD of your robot that someone else is requesting the single point of control. Tab on the Show button on the smartPAD to get further details. You will directly see the current status, that the SPoC is currently assigned to the smartPAD. You could release it with this button. But I want to grant the single point of control to the cockpit request that I just sent. Please push the Grant button. You will see the notification that the single point of control has been released. Back in the cockpit, you now have more rights. For example, we can have a look at the system information of the robot.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe the KUKA channel for more content. For practical training and workshops, visit the KUKA College. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights.
Making automation easier.